Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome to 1 Minute English. Today we're going to talk about zero conditional. Zero conditional is made up of two present simple clauses. One of them will have a word like if or when. We use zero conditional when we want to talk about things which are always true. This is a drum machine. If I push these buttons, they make a lot of noise. When I blow in here, a sound comes out here. Okay, that's zero conditional, present simple plus present simple. Simple. How about one more? If I'm a good boy, Santa brings me presents at Christmas. So, I hope I've been a good boy this year. I hope you've been a good boy or a good girl this year. And I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. 2020 has been a very, very hard year for everybody. So, let's hope that 2021 is a much better year for all of us. So from me, Andy, and from everyone here at SPC, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look after yourself. Cheers.